So, son, any nice-looking girls there last night?
Yeah, did you get any pussy?
Zachary, you need to use a different language, young man.
Yes, Mom. ¿Y solo consigue coño?
The first time. Everyone remembers their first love.
My name's Vic.
No one forgets their first time.
She's a senior. You'd have a better chance trying to score Angelina Jolie.
It's the nicest dress I've seen all night. It's the dumbest thing I've said in my entire life. What about that smartass Peter? Is she dating him?
Look, I'm sick and tired of Anya and her unspoiled virgin bullshit.
She knows she can't graduate a virgin.
Talk to me, bitch.
Is Anya there?
Are you coming to her birthday party?
Do you know what kind of present she would like?
If you really want to make my sister happy, you'll buy her a tarantula.
Happy birthday. I wanted to make it up to you for the mess I made.
Have you ever done it?
Done what?
You know, it.
Yeah, sure, of course. Psh, all the time. Who hasn't? No.
No one can do it better.
Yeah! I really need some con... Some con... Do you want to make $5?
I'd like to buy some Jimmy hats, dingers, Johnnies, gloves. The thing you need when you're banging a chick, of course.
You don't suppose you're a bit too young?
I don't think so, mister. The fat one's getting hairy already.
Oh, my.
Get out!
There comes a time in every life
I understand if the two of you want to have sex with each other.
when you lose more than your heart.
Relax. It's my first time to remember.
So can I ask you a personal question? How often do you have a rubber on you?
The first time.
He's going to a birthday party for a girl.
So he's not gay, huh?